Meters and meters and meters of wood. Well, it's raining, but according to the plan, we're cutting a lot of wood for the ventilation system of the roof. These run along the top of the roof and they'll be covered with the aluminium sheeting, and basically just nailing these together, preparing them for when the weather gets a little bit nicer. And what will happen is, again at the plan, air comes in at the bottom, drawn up as it gets warmer, and comes out the top, which is covered in aluminium and looks like a nice kind of like backbone for the roof. Yeah, let's see how far we get. So basically what we're doing today is continuing with the roof installation preparation, and we did yesterday, we screwed all of these wood slats onto the underside of the beam, and these boards will come on, and then inside that we will be blowing in the insulation material, which is basically shredded paper. Yeah, I tried to keep it in that way ecological up there, something that can breathe as well as the wood does. And yeah, so we're cracking on with that today. This is the kind of weather that you want to have in September. I'm very pleased we got the roof on, but it is cold. Wow, gotta get my safety glasses, get a little dust in my eyes. But it's coming along nicely, even though we've got a ton of snow. Well, a ton, well enough. So we can't go on the roof anymore. So we managed to close up the windows in order to celebrate the work so far with the team that we've had. And we had a good meal last night and some drinks. And yeah, a good milestone. And we'll keep going.